morning, everyone. Today is April 6, 2021. So, ang bilis po ng araw. Today, we will discuss the PCI. We'll check the PCI. What is the movement of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index as of 9:44 in the morning. So, the trading time already started 9:30. So we'll see now, because yesterday, PCI is up. So tingnan natin kung lumabas na ba si PCI sa may upper line of the channel. So this is the channel that we want to see for PCI. Shout out to Engineer Edwin Bilan. Thank you for your support. And but before that, before we proceed, this is only a disclaimer that this discussion, there is no recommendation to buy, there is no recommendation to sell, to hold your position if you have shares of these companies. This is only for educational purposes, to study the support and resistance. We know already that support and resistance is very much important here in the stock market. Shout out to Mr. Nature. Thank you very much for your support. Rosalde de la Peña, thank you very much. So let's go to the chart. I will share the chart of Philippine Stock Exchange Index as of 9:46 in the morning. So this is the Philippine Stock Exchange Index chart. If you see, the PCI is up by 0.66%, but still is below all the exponential moving averages. And the upline of the channel is still hindi pa na-break ni PCI. So we need to watch if this incline line, this top line of the channel, kung ma-break ni PCI, and then we see if there is a pattern created after he break this line. So ngayon hindi pa na-break, nasa ilalim pa rin ng all exponential moving averages. Downtrend pa rin yung PCI, the level of PCI as of now, April 6, 2021. So if ever hindi niya ma-break yan, and then if there's a pullback, again, the same analysis for me. We need to watch this incline support, this line na hindi ma-break ni PCI. Ito lang yung titingnan natin na hindi ma-break ni PCI. Na sana babalik siya ulit doon sa may above all the exponential moving averages. Especially if we will break this line, the upper line of the channel. And babalik siya sa may lahat ng exponential moving averages. Kasi pag tingnan natin yung moving averages ay masikip. So there is no space, unlike here, in this area here, follow po yung exponential moving averages. But here, if you see, the exponential moving averages ay dikit-dikit po yung exponential moving averages. So we need a good catalyst to push this level of PCI going back above all these lines. Kasi masikip po yung exponential moving averages. So it will up also. I think I will monitor next movement of PCI, but as of now, still is in a downtrend. So if ever will come back, as I said, we will see this incline support na hindi ma-break ni PCI. Shout out to Imotero Vlogs. Thank you for your support. Thank you very much to Mr. Nature and Engineer Edwin Bilan. Thank you for your support. Now let's go to we will see AREIT. This is the AREIT chart. Now, AREIT is breaking this horizontal resistance. Okay, if ever AREIT will close above on this line, this area, and it is good for me if we will close the same price, 0.72. So, hintay lang tayo kung mag-hold yung line ito, yung line ni AREIT. So, as of 9:50 in the morning, yung current price na AREIT is above on this horizontal resistance, this line. But if ever, until 1 o'clock, if the price of AREIT will go back and there's a rejection in this area, so we need to avoid because possible it will going back and it will retrace, no? Here in the EMA20 or in this horizontal support line below. So tingnan natin yung price na AREIT kung hindi magpula until 1 o'clock. So kung mag-hold si AREIT above on this line, then if you are positioned in the bottom, then this is good for AREIT. Just wait if there is a rejection, if you buy here in the bottom line. But if you want to buy, we need to see if there is mag-hold yung price ni AREIT on this horizontal support, this line, this area here. But kung mag-close yan na pula, and there's a rejection, so you need to avoid because there's a possibility that AREIT will going back and it will retrace here in the support area, in the bottom area. So, tingnan natin si AREIT, no? But as of 9:51, AREIT is in above the horizontal resistance. Now it will act as support. So we'll watch next movement of AREIT until 1 o'clock. Well, si CLI. Start ni CLI. Si CLI ay nasa resistant area. So hindi pa rin na-break ni CLI itong area na ito. And how many days now? CLI in this area now. Maybe 4 days now. Nandito sa may resistant area. So we need to see if there's a breakout of CLI. If there's no breakout, possible we will retrace again, and we will watch in the mid-20 or 50 kung mag-hold yung price ni CLI. If not, we'll see this inclined support. This line na hindi ma-break ni CLI. If you have position in the bottom, just wait if there's a breakout. And if there's a rejection, you know already what you will do if there's a rejection on this area. So for me, if I want to buy, I will do wait if there's a retracement or if there is a breakout of this horizontal resistance. So we'll see CLI. If ma-break ni CLI yung horizontal resistance. As of now, the top most active is D2 is up by 5.65%, followed by ACEN, and the top gainers as of 9:53 is ARA, 16.24%, is up by 16.24%, and the top losers, LAN. So this is the company going up yesterday and now is going down by 8.97%. So next one is AGI. Now if you see AGI, nandito na sa may malapit sa may resistant area. Nandito na sa may resistant area si AGI. So we'll see if there is a breakout of AGI. O tingnan natin kung may breakout. If you have a position in the bottom, then just see if there is a breakout of this horizontal resistance. So if you want to buy, you need to see if there's a breakout also. And if ever there is a retracement and there is a rejection, because the trading up to 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we did not see how much the closing price of AGI. So we'll see until 1 o'clock. If the price of AGI will break this horizontal resistance, then this is good for AGI, and we will see this horizontal support because this resistance will become support. But if ever there's a rejection, then we will expect another fallback of AGI. So this is the major support for this incline support kung if ever mag-pull back si AGI. So this is my final opinion for AGI. We need to see if there is a breakout. And if you have position in the bottom, just wait if there is a breakout. If there's a pullback, of course, you know what to do. If there's a rejection on this area until 1 o'clock. So of course, he will going back again down. Maybe here in the MA 20 or 50. But we need to see always this incline support na hindi ma-break ni AGI. Next one is CNPF. Tingnan natin yung chart ni CNPF as of 9:55 in the morning. If we see the chart of CNPF, still it did not break this horizontal resistance this area. Now, if you have a position on the bottom, for me, I need to see this horizontal support na mag-hold yung price ni CNPF. But if ever this horizontal support ay ma-break ni CNPF, then this is not good for CNPF for me because the momentum will become weak if ever he will going back below on this horizontal support area, this line. But if ever he will stay on this line, above this line, still CNPF is good if ever he will stay above on this horizontal resistant area and this inclined support. So, tubantayan lang natin dito yung horizontal support area, this line, na hindi ma-break ni CNPF. Because as I said, kung ma-break yan, babalik siya dito sa my bottom line of the inclined line, this line, and there's a possibility that he will break this line if ever. So we need to see na mag-sideway lang yung movement ni CNPF on this area. Today is the ex-date, no? For the dividend, there is a cash dividend of 0.18. And the ex-date is today, April 6, 2021. So, if ever ma-break ni CNPF until 1 o'clock, this horizontal resistance area, then it's good for CNPF. But we need to see this horizontal support na mag-hold si CNPF. And there's a sideways movement. This is the area we need to watch. Na hindi ma-break ni CNPF and this inclined support. Kung mag-sideways lang siya, then this is good for CNPF. We need to watch this inclined support na hindi ma-break. If ever, he will go sideways. But if we will, as I said, if we will break this line, then the momentum will become weak for CNPF. Next one, CNVRG. We need to see the chart of CNVRG converts information. CNVRG is support area, this horizontal support area, and there is also a midline of the channel. So today, as of 9:58, bumalik naman yung price ni CNVR. But we need to see that this MA 20 na hindi ma-break on this horizontal support area for CNVR because if ever ma-break niya yan, especially this midline of the channel, possible I will going back to this area again for CNVR. There is a minor resistance created in this area here. Nauntog po si CNVR dyan, no? and there's a rejection. So we need to watch this EMA 20 na hindi ma-break and this middle line of the channel. Nandito na po siya sa my middle line of the channel. Kung babalik siya diyan, then of course possible you will go sideways. But if ever ma-break na itong horizontal support and this EMA 20, we need to watch in the bottom line, the bottom line of the channel. Kung ma-break ni CNVR, itong horizontal support area and the EMA 20. But kung hindi, then just hold if you have a position here in the bottom, if ever hindi niya ma-break itong horizontal support and the EMA 20. Because as I said, possible we will go back again on this area, this direction. Kung ma-break na itong EMA 20 and horizontal support. But if you want to buy, just see, because the momentum now of the MACD is tapering down. So we'll see the MACD. Si MACD is trying to cross over, no? So hintay-hintay lang muna if there is another good momentum for CNVRG. So possible kung ma-break na yung MA20, again it will go retracement, going back to the bottom line of the channel. Next one, COL. Tingnan natin si COL. Si COL Financial, still nag-hold pa naman dito sa may support. This horizontal support area. So just watch this horizontal support na hindi ma-break ni COL because nagsa-sideway lang yung price ni COL. So we need to see this horizontal support na hindi ma-break ni COL. Next one, DMC. So si DMC, he is trying to break this horizontal resistance, but there is a rejection. So we need to see another, if there's a pullback for DMC, dapat hindi siya bumaba sa may all exponential moving averages. But for me, I need to watch DMC if we will climb back above on this horizontal resistance area, this line. Dapat babalik si DMC diyan na this is the area we need to watch again for DMC. But now, nag-read po yung candle ni DMC and possible there's another retracement going back to EMA 20 or to the exponential moving averages. So we need to see na hindi ma-break ni DMC yung exponential moving averages because it will become a downtrend if ever it will go down all the exponential moving averages. But if you want to buy, just wait another opportunity for DMC because there's a possibility that there's a pullback for DMC kung mag-red si DMC ngayon. So we need to watch again above on this horizontal resistance if there is a bullish pattern created. Next one, we'll see HVN. See HVN, so we need to see if there's a breakout for HVN. So we need to take care now, maybe there's a retracement, but if ever there's a breakout, this is the time we need to watch for HVN. So nasa may resistant area po si HVN. Kung tingnan natin yung resistant area. We need to see if there's a breakout. Next one, rock. Si Rockwell, now is above all exponential moving averages. So we need to see if there's a breakout, if we will create a pattern on this area. So still there is no pattern created for Rockwell. We'll see if he will go sideways and will stay above all the exponential moving averages. And there is a breakout of this resistance area, this line here. So this is the area we need to watch for. Last one is SPC. Current price of SPC is now above all exponential moving averages. So we need to watch only that this horizontal support area hindi ma-break ni SPC. So nandito pa naman siya sa may above all exponential moving averages. So we need to watch this horizontal support na hindi ma-break, because if ever ma-break yan, of course it will go back to the exponential moving average 200, this green line. So now is above, then just hold your position if you have position there. We need to watch this horizontal support na hindi ma-break in this space. Nag-sideway movement lang si SPC. So sana ba abot siya dito sa may previous resistant area, this line. And we need to see if there's a build-up pattern created on this area. But for me, I need to watch this horizontal support for SPC and hindi ma-break. So yung momentum ni SPC, yung ADX is below 25. So we need the ADX will go above 25 so that there is the strength, no? But the ADX is the MACD is above the zero line, but we need more strength, no, to push the price going up. But as I said, this is the area I need to watch, the horizontal support area. So I hope you learned something about this discussion. And if you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box. And before I go, I shout out to the viewers, Engineer Edwin Bilan, to Mr. Nature, and to Emotero Vlog, no? Shane Martinez. Thank you for your support. So that's all for today. Thank you, and God bless us all always.